That's Orion, a week from now. Right now, it's an ordinary night, and the red one at Orion's shoulder is doing what it's done your whole life, which is nothing you'd notice. 7 days is all it takes to get from here to there, and then it holds for 3 months. And when it finally fades, Orion is a different shape for good. So here's how that goes, night by night. The first thing to get out of the way is that the sky doesn't fill up. When people imagine a star exploding, they picture a fireball, a second sun, something you'd have to run from. And that isn't what you'd get, because Betelgeuse is 548 light-years away, so whatever happens to it, it can never be anything more than a point of light. It just becomes a point you can't look at. And it can't hurt anybody down here either, since you'd need a dying star more than 3 times closer than this one before it could do us any damage at all. There's no warning either. One evening the shoulder is a little brighter than you remember it, and you assume you're imagining that. And by the next night, you're not imagining it. And by the night after that, people have started standing out in the road. It climbs like that for about a week, and then it levels off. At its brightest, it's throwing out roughly 1/10 of the light of a full moon, which sounds almost disappointing, until you remember that the moon spreads its light across a whole disk, and this is all of it arriving from a single point. So your eyes can't hold still on it. The street doesn't turn into daylight, and the houses don't light up, and nothing catches fire. There's simply one unbearable white point up there, and a sky that everybody can tell is wrong. And then it doesn't go away. A star that dies like this settles into a plateau that runs for about 90 days. So for something like 3 months, there's a second thing in the sky, and everyone on Earth can see it, and nobody can quite ignore it. Every clear night for the first few weeks, people go outside for it, and then they stop going outside for it because that's what people do, and it turns into the thing that's just up there, which is roughly when it starts going out. Then it fades, slowly, over months, until one ordinary evening, somebody looks up and notices that Orion has lost its shoulder, and it doesn't come back. And the shape you've known since you were a child is a different shape now. Here's the part I can't get past. That light is 548 years old. So what you're looking at tonight left the star before anybody on Earth had built a telescope to point at it, which means it might have already happened. It could have gone 4 centuries ago, with the light of the explosion still on its way here, and there's no instrument anywhere that could tell you otherwise, because the news is the light, and the light only travels at 1 speed. So the shoulder of Orion is either a star or a rumour. Go outside tonight, find the red one at Orion's shoulder, and look at it for a while, knowing that you might be looking at something that isn't there anymore.